Hello. We're on another roof here today. Flat roof here in Baltimore City. The homeowner is experiencing some leaks in the bathroom. So we measured it off and it's actually falling right where you see this furnace flue. And one of the reasons it's leaking is because this is by being a black roof. Dark colors again absorb heat, and the lighter colored roofs reflect the heat and whatnot. And but the leak, get back to what we're up here for, is pretty much where you see these cracks at here. That's where we suspect the leak is. And then also up here where blowing driving rain can come in, right through the pipe. Everything else around the perimeter of this is nicely tucked in, except for here. And it's also leaning, so you probably get that back to a 90-degree stand there instead of a 35. But yeah, it is a good idea to keep these type roofs coated with a silver coat. We recommend the fiber roof coating here, and a good way to understand why you want to do that is because just like we put Vaseline and lotion on our hands to keep them from drying out, or chapstick on our lips, the sunlight is drying this black roof covering out. So you can see a lot of the neighbors have the silver coats on them. This is kind of like some kind of a white coating here, but the one over there, that's your traditional silver coat. And then the other two neighbors over here, these are traditional silver coatings. It helps keep the roof nice and cool. And if the roof stays cool, you have a less chance of getting cracks and whatnot, like you see here in the roof. Just like changing the oil in your car every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Okay, hope those tips help you. And if you need any more information on this, or would like to find out some more information, please look us up, check us out, and give us a call. And thank you.